Good morning, everyone. I'm your friend, Macbro Jeff. There were many friends curious of how I trade every day and how I make money from the market. Today, I'm going to give you a short example of how do I trade with my personal account. I'm a very low-level trader who is not very clever, but today I want to share with you of my trading experience. Here is a short video taught in this month of the last 30 minutes in my trading day. I was trading on Australian market, and here you can see this is the symbol of the market. You can see from here, this is a name of the symbol, and this window is a level 2 window of the symbol. From this window, you can see different gateways and prices and how many shares on the price in the real time. Here is a time and sales window. From this window, you can see the orders filled at which price with how many shares and at what time. Here is a chart of the symbol. You can see from the round pot at what time I place the order, on which price, and you can see from the little triangle, these are the orders filled. This is history log. These are the orders I placed but not filled. You can see this is a sample. I short those symbols, and this is the gateway, and this is how many shares I placed, and this is what time I placed the order. Last window is a summary. It shows the position I have at this time. This is a net profit I already made. From here you can see most of my symbols are flatted, but I have one symbol with 5,000 shares short at price of $3.80. The very beginning, you can see I have one short position on the symbol IPL.AX. I short at the price of 3.80, 5,000 shares. And you can see the net profit I made is 69 Australian dollars at this time. And I have already traded around, I guess, 2 hours at this time. But it will be a too long video, so I just made a recording of this last half an hour. And I have another position which I short, it's not short, which I buy 2,000 shares TAH.AX at the price of 4.99. So now I have two positions. One is short, another is long. So I place some orders, try to flat my positions to make some profit. Because my idea is just make 1 cent profit. So I just place some orders, try to flat it. And you can see from TAH, I have already flat my position. Before I put some orders at the price of 4.99, but it's nearly not fill the price 5 Australian dollars, so I put a middle price 4.995 to flag my position to make some profit. So you can say I already flagged the symbol TAH and made some profit. And I still have the position of IPL because I think 3.8 is a resistance price, so I short at this price. Because the liquidity is not very good, so I have to wait for a little bit longer time to fill the orders to flag my position. But at the same time, I place more orders, try to get a bigger position. So it is still a long, boring waiting time. And now you can see all my position has been flattened. So right now I have no positions and I'm waiting to open another position. Here you can see I have short IPL.AX 500 shares at the price of 3.79. Because I want to say if it will goes to 3.80. And here you can see I have another short position, MPL.AX, 16,000 shares at the price of 3.11. And at the same time, I got another long position, which is S32.AX, which is 6,000 shares at the price of 4.85. And you can see I placed the orders not for 1 cent to flag my position, because there are not many selling orders on the 3.10 price and 4.86 price. So I choose the half cent price to flag my positions. So I'm not going to make 1 cent profit. I'm going to make 0.5 cent profit. And here it's nearly the market close time. I have to flat all my position today, because what I'm doing is day trading. Now you can see I have another long position, which is S32 at the price of 4.85, 3,000 shares. So actually now I try to flat all my position before the market close. Okay, now you can see the market is closed, but I haven't flat my position at this time. So now I have to cancel all the orders which I placed before. And now I have to place 2 more orders to flat all my position. Because if I am not doing this, the head office will give me a fine for this. So it's not worth it. So the best option for me is flat all my position. So now I will place the 2 orders, and you can see from the history log there are 2 orders for my positions. Then I have to wait for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, those 2 positions will be flat automatically. And from here you can see I have already made 186 Australian dollars as net profit. Actually, today I have already made 283.28 Australian dollars as gross profit, and I have done 257 trades. All the fees of like gateway fees or execution fees, I paid 96.79 Australian dollars. So Till now, I have already made 186.48 Australian dollars. So I want to say in which price I will fill my orders and if I can make more money or less money from the last trade. So let's just be patient for the last 7 minutes and check the result. Here you can see my position has been flatted, and finally I made 210 Australian dollars in this day. 210 Australian dollars. And here some of you may say, okay, you only show us the day you make money, and you do not show us the days you doesn't make money. So here is the thing. So this is my second month of trading on Australia market, and you can see this is a trading record of every day. You can see from the first column, those are the date, and you can see the currency, and you can see from the trading total column, these are the days I like how much profit I made in these days. You can see there are several days I lose money, like 8th of March, I lost 51 Australian dollars, and you can see from which date? 16th of March, I lost 320 Australian dollars, and from 5th of March, I lost 10 Australian dollars. But anyway, for the rest of the days, I still make some money from the market. So there are in total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 20 something trading days, and in total I made 2,300 Australian dollars, which in average every day still like 100 Australian dollars, and I only work every day like 2 or 3 hours. So it's not too bad for somebody who's not doing much and not very clever. So I think this is still not very bad. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel, and I like to share with you for the future.